The purpose of this video is to introduce you to the vision shared between myself, Dean Sams, Vice President of TEU Services, and Pete Pantuso, President of the American Bus Association. That shared vision means that members of ABA can get their facilities upgraded to LED lighting, and we will cover 100% of the cost, including labor and materials, for 5 years. That's truly exciting, but the best part? The part that caused Pete to share our vision? We're going to make a donation in your name to the ABA Foundation, so you are getting credit for supporting our vision. Think about it. Your facility gets all new LED lighting without spending a dime. As a matter of fact, you might even get a budget surplus every month, thanks to the efficiency of our LED lights. And the ABA Foundation will receive a donation in your name. Please continue watching to see who we are and why our program makes sense for you.
Hello, my name is Dean Sams, and I'm the founding member of the country group Lone Star. Now, I've always been very focused on our music career, and I'm proud to say it's done very well. We've sold over 10.5 million records and had 10 of our singles go all the way to #1. Needless to say, I don't get sidetracked very easily. But when I saw the opportunity to get involved in the LED lighting technology with a program that covers 100% of the cost, my entrepreneurial spirit kicked in. TEU is a company that I partnered with that was founded in 2009 specifically to reduce energy demand across America, with a focus on LED lighting for a wide range of commercial properties. Now, since the inception of our company, we have successfully completed projects in 46 of the 50 states. We literally have installed millions of our LED products across a wide variety of commercial spaces, from large corporations with multiple facilities to the singular small mom and pop shops. We have multiple factory direct relationships overseas that go back to 2009 when we turned on the lights to our own business. And we have an exceptional list of customers that we have worked with that will provide references as to our high standards of products and service. I'd like to review a few of our customers and their properties that we've improved with our LED lighting. Priam Capital is one of the large companies that we've worked with to improve several of their commercial office properties. We've built a solid relationship with them through our high level of products and service that we've provided for them. We have also worked with several homeowners associations, including Jameson Station in Franklin, Tennessee, and Monticello Crossroads in Dallas, Texas. Both properties were brought to life with our LED lighting upgrades. Now, when it comes to large realty groups, Cry-Like Realtors is one of the largest in the United States, and we did their home office tower plus 57 additional locations scattered across 6 states. Let's discuss energy efficient lighting upgrades. We have discovered that most businesses, universities, schools, and nonprofit organizations all want or need to upgrade to energy efficient lighting. I want to take the time to explain how the energy savings works, because this is what really got me excited about LED lighting and the whole energy reduction business. It's no secret that LED lighting uses 45 to 90% less electricity than traditional lighting. For example, a 4-foot fluorescent tube consumes 32 watts. We replace that with a 14-watt LED tube, which saves 18 watts or 56.3% reduction. When it comes to your warehouse or parking lot, most of those are HID fixtures, metal halide normally, and they run 400 watts plus the ballast. When we replace those with 120 watt LED fixtures, you will not only reduce your wattage consumption by 320 watts per fixture, but your illumination will be much better. In real numbers, your electric bill will go down 72.7%, which pays for our REDAAP program. Your electric bill can't stay the same using 320 watts less per fixture. Now, with halogen, we routinely replace a 50 watt with a 5 watt. And incandescents, we replace a 60 watt with a 7 watt. Once again, the reduction pays for the program. Here's how the budget works. Upgrading the lighting to LED can't be an operating expense because of the lump sum in total needed for the upgrade. The upgrade cost gets moved over to the capital budget process, and the finance people always get involved. Now, it's hard to get a new capital budget for an existing operating expense, particularly when you're talking about a maintenance item such as lighting. REDAAP is an operating expense, not capital. REDAAP, it's a maintenance service agreement, not a lease or a loan. The service fee remains off balance sheet as a monthly operating expense. Now, REDAAP covers 100% of the lighting upgrade cost by advancing the electrical and maintenance savings up front. REDAAP is in your current operating budget now and will not affect your current monthly spend. The reduction in electricity and maintenance will offset the service fee. Let me give you one small example of how it works, like a parking lot. The current spend with this parking lot is $3,220 pre-REDAAP. Post-REDAAP, that number will drop to $798 after we transform them to LED lighting. Now, of course, you have to add in their maintenance in their current spend, which is $465. Now, that includes all of the bulbs and ballasts, and then to have to do the maintenance. Well, of course, that all carries over into our monthly service fee in the post-REDAAP, which takes that number to $2,401. Now, we can just jump down to the annual total, and you can see the current spend is $44,208 on an annual basis. Post-REDAAP, after we transition to LED lights, that drops down to $38,388. And you can see that is a budget surplus of $5,820. Keep in mind, we've 100% changed all of their lighting to LEDs without any capital spend up front and getting them a budget surplus of over 13% on a monthly basis. Now we're going to move on to scope of work. Now we have 4 things that we primarily focus on. The first one is to provide illumination. Are you looking for better than or equal to without any negative effect on your operating budget? Secondly, if you need to fix a lighting problem quickly, we adjust our focus to provide a quick turnaround with better than or equal than illumination and less focus on the budget. The third thing that we try to figure out with the scope of work is if increasing light level is more important than focusing on energy reduction. Of course, we will focus on the enhancing of the lighting, adding new fixtures and lighting circuits to meet those objectives. Now, that isn't always the most budget-friendly way to do it, but that is a scope of work that we focus on depending on what your needs are. The fourth one is customer specified foot candle requirements. Now, we always try to meet the max-min ratios, color temperatures, controls, whether we're going to do daylight harvesting, fixture style, brands, etc. All of that can be included as part of the scope of work. We want you to know what you're responsible for, and of course we want you to know what we are responsible for. Let's start with TEU's responsibility first. Number 1, we carry the financial risk and cover all of the cost of product and the installation. Secondly, we're going to complete a pilot install to meet your approval. The customer's approval is very important to us. Third, we're going to complete the upgrade to meet your approval once again. No payment is made until you sign a certificate of commencement that says you are happy with the job that we've done. Fourth, we are going to provide maintenance and labor and materials for up to 7 years, which is all inclusive of our monthly maintenance service fee. Now let's talk about what you're responsible for. First of all, you have to approve our service agreement, which we will provide for you. Once you have approved that, you have to approve the pilot install that we do. You will tell us we have done a good job or we haven't, and we're going to keep working until we meet your approval. Third, you have approval upon completion of the upgrade. Once again, you don't start paying us until you tell us that we've done the job to your specifications. Finally, you make the monthly service fee payments to us each month. But what is great about this, once again, this takes away all risk from you because it's kind of a pay-as-you-go service. So we can assure you that your lights are up and running and looking beautiful, making your property the best it can be 100% of the time. Here's what we need to move forward. First of all, we need you to fill out and sign the customer intake form. It's a very short form, takes you less than 5 minutes to fill out. Secondly, we need you to furnish complete copies of at least 6 months of your electric bills so we can look for any rebates. Third, we're going to work out the scope of work with you. We're going to find out exactly what your needs are so we meet your expectations. Fourth, your verbal approval of the monthly maintenance agreement method is needed. Fifth, we need you to select the first facility to be the pilot location. Sixth, and finally, we need you to furnish the point of contact at the facility. That way we know who we can reach out to and make all of our connections with to get the survey done in a timely manner for you. Here is some additional information that may help you make your decision. We have a link to our website and about our REDAAP program that you can find here. My name is Dean Sams and I will be your point of contact if you should need anything. You can reach me at deansams@teuservices.com by email, or you can reach me on my cell phone at 615-389-7267. If there's another sales agent that has sent you this, make sure to reach out to them at your earliest convenience with any questions that you may have. Thank you for the opportunity to earn your business.